Good morning, dear children. In last class, I had sent you a PowerPoint presentation in which you must have seen different ways of transports used by children to go to school in different parts of India. Today, let us learn it in detail. Before we begin, let me show you some pictures. Try to identify them. The first picture is of mountains. The second one is a river. And the third one is a desert. These are the pictures of landforms. Land is not same everywhere. In this chapter, we will study how children reach the school in different places. This is a political map of India. Let me show you where Assam is. It is located in the northeast part of India. In Assam, it rains heavily and sometimes there is knee-high water everywhere. So, children use bamboo bridge to reach their school. Bamboo bridge is made of bamboo wood and ropes. Do you know any other type of bridge? Yes, cement bridge. Have you seen any cement bridge? Yes, it is near our school. A cement bridge is stronger than a bamboo bridge. It is made of cement, bricks, sand. Now, let us see how children in Ladakh reach their school. They have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the sides, it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley attached with the rope. 4 or 5 children sit in the trolley. Here you need to know what is pulley. Pulley is a simple machine which makes our work easier. Pulley is used in a trolley. It is also used to fetch water from a well. You can see here its picture. Let us visit spice capital of India. It is Kerala. Let me show it in a map. There are many water bodies in Kerala. Children use Vallam, a small wooden boat, to reach their school. There are some places in India having dense forests and green fields. The path here is uneven, so children use bullock cart to go to their school. This is a picture of bicycle. Can you ride a bicycle? Do you use a bicycle to go anywhere? Very good. Some children use bicycle to go to their school. In some parts of Uttarakhand, the paths are rocky and uneven, so children reach their school on foot. This is a picture of special transport used in Gujarat. It sounds foot, foot, foot when it runs. Is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. This is a picture of a camel cart. It is used mostly in Rajasthan. There is a sand all around in Rajasthan, and camel can walk easily on sand. So people of Rajasthan use camel cart to go from one place to another.